Hi guys, welcome to day 2, how to assemble the tenor sax. We want to soak our reed for at least 2 minutes before we assemble. And while you're doing that, go ahead and grab your tenor. Before we grab this, actually, I'd like you to get your neck strap. Just put this around your neck, make sure it's comfortable, make sure you don't have like chains in the way like me. I put them under my shirt actually when I play. Then you're going to grab your saxophone itself. Right here at the back of the sax, there's a ring. Right here, right there. Right there is where you're going to actually and hook it onto it. Awesome, there we go. You don't want your saxophone too low on your body or too high. You want the perfect level so where your mouthpiece is going right where you need it to be, which is your mouth. You also don't want to have poor posture. You want to be sitting on the edge of your seat. First, we need to get the neck. And the thing about the neck is it goes right at the top of the tenor sax. And what I like to do is put my thumb right here so I'm not damaging the neck. I put it in, and then I go from the side, and I go left, right, left, right. You want to make sure it's centered to your saxophone. And you also then have to tighten it right here on the side, which I will do. Then the next thing you want to do is grab your mouthpiece. And what I like to do is have the ligature on it already. It makes it a little easier. But for you guys, you're going to not have the ligature on, and you're going to make sure you get cork grease all over around the cork, which I actually already applied. But it actually looks like this. It'll be in your tenor case, hopefully, and if not, you should go get some, because there'll also be kind of struggle to get the mouthpiece on. You want to keep sucking on your reed for about 2 minutes, so we're almost there. And it's really handy to do it while you're setting up, because you'll be done by the time you're there. Keep sucking on your reed. You want to grab your mouthpiece and place on like so, and just jiggle left and right, left and right, left and right, and go down. There should be a good amount of space where the cork is sticking out. You should definitely see some cork there. And that's as far down as I think I want to go. And then by now your reed should be at a pretty good situation, and it shouldn't be dry. It'll be hard to play. And you don't want to damage your reed either, so that's why it's good. And if it's your first time with a brand new reed, you should soak it in water for a little bit. Grab your reed, place it on the mouthpiece like so, and then grab your ligature, put it right there, line it up with the middle. And you want your reed to have a little bit of hedge coming off the top. If not, it's okay. You want it to stick out a little bit. You don't want it to be too low. And I wouldn't touch it by its tip like I just did there. You just want to be delicate. You don't want to break the reed, because that sucks. Reeds are a little expensive. Once it's tightened and leveled out, you should be good. You want to make sure it's even on both sides like I'll show you. You want to make sure it's even. And once you get there, it's 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. You leave your thumb could be resting on this black dot on the back. And your pinky should be sitting right here. So pinky, 1, 2, 3. And thumb here. And then for this hand, you're going to be pointer, middle, index. And then I like to keep my pinky resting right here on these back two. And as you notice, it's a little low. I have to go like this. Just hold your sax, make sure you got it nice and sturdy, and pull up to tighten. And now I'm sitting up straight. Sitting up straight and I can play. It's going right to my mouth. And I don't have to worry about bad posture, hunching over. And I'm on the edge of my seat just like Miss Snyder likes. That's exactly what you got to do to set up your tenor sax. And remember, reed goes on last. Suck on it for 2 minutes. Cork grease. Remember your hand positions. Awesome.